meet Rod Stewart, Forever Young, here at Bay FM. We're live and local on the Redlands coast, and it's a very, very big welcome back to, well, not to you, you've been here, but it's a welcome back to Madonna Guy and Roger Jeffries on
Absolutely.
Friday morning. And I've got something for you, but I'll give you that later. A little something, little treat. So after the session, I'll give you a little present I brought back from Belgique.
Beautiful.
Hey, we've got a big day today. We've got a pharmacist,
yes,
herbalist, Mr. Gerald Quigley, and Gerald's on the line right now.
Good morning, Gerald. How you doing?
No, we've lost him. This has been a fantastic day for me. First day back after nearly 3 months, and I make a phone call and I speak to the gentleman, Gerald Quigley. Tell me all about Gerald.
So Gerald is a pharmacist and herbalist. So, you know, that's sort of interesting because he can see things from both sides of medicine. And he's going to be chatting to us about some of the herbs that people can use to keep themselves nice and healthy throughout winter.
Gerald might be there right now. Are you there, Gerald? No, he's definitely not there. So, yes, go on.
Yeah, so obviously this flu season, people are very terrified of getting the flu and not being able to get over it. So we're going to be discussing some of the herbs that people can try to take that actually help to boost our immune systems and kill off viral particles and basically get to that point where people aren't going to be scared so much of winter these days. Hasn't it been, you know, in the last few years, I think we keep being told that it's the worst flu season ever. And it's sort of happened several times, and people are becoming really quite frightened to go out there and mix with other human beings in case they get sick. And the whole germophobia, the whole germaphobe sort of place that we're getting as human beings at the moment seems to be getting worse. So people are terrified. I saw something on Facebook this morning that was talking about how people who don't take their shoes off before walking inside are bringing in all these pollutants on their shoes. And I don't know whether it was deliberate. I know, I hadn't thought about it before. Well, it's sort of funny because I've never thought of it before, but now that I've got like a 6-month-old baby and Teddy's going to be crawling on the floor at some stage soon. So for the first time ever, I've actually been wondering about these environmental toxins because we did have a toxicologist talk at Congress a month ago, and he was saying how many things we do drag in on the bottom of our shoes, including...
But that's nature.
It is nature.
That's life.
It is.
You have to be exposed to it.
Yes, you do. And really, and that's what I sort of think is the other side of thing, how well is your immune system? So rather being fearful of these things, we're looking at boosting the immune system and making sure that we can cope with the 21st century? 20 yeah. So
well, you may not be, I am. And I feel it every day.
So yeah, so I think giving people solutions to be able to help them deal with colds and flus and the winter season is really quite important. All
right, Madonna, I'm going to try and get Gerald back again. Something went wrong. It's been just one of those mornings. I'm on here for 3 hours, but I think I'm going to be in the boss's office for 4 hours after I finish the shift. Tarred and feathered, tied to a tree outside, but we'll try and get Gerald back in a minute. In the meantime, because the World Cup is on, and I've been following Belgium, and of course you know who did one of the opening songs there, a little bit of entertainment, Robbie Williams, and he wasn't too happy with the sound effects. See, he has problems too. But this is Robbie Williams with Party Like a Russian.